In front of me is Honor 50, and today I would like to show you how you can manage all vibration settings on this device. First of all, go into settings. Now choose sounds and vibration over here and tap on vibrate. This way you can mute your device completely and leave only vibrations. After that, scroll down, choose phone ringtone and click on vibration. Then select one of those vibration patterns for your incoming calls by tapping on the best one for you and going back. You can also disable them completely by tapping on none. Go back, choose notification tone and select vibration pattern for your notifications by tapping on vibration over here as well, tapping the best one and going back. Now you need to scroll down, choose more settings and click on the switcher next to vibrate when ringing to enable or disable vibrations for your incoming calls. You can also click on the switcher next to system haptics to enable or disable vibrations for key system events and interactions. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!